Are you trying to find the best SSD for gaming? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 6 best SSD for gaming. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The Samsung 980 Pro is a $230 1TB high-performance SSD that uses the most recent PCIe technology and is compatible with the majority of contemporary PCs and consoles. It offers read and write rates of up to 7,000 MB/s and 5,000 MB/s, respectively. You may upgrade to 2 TB for a bit less than twice the cost. Getting the extra storage space can be worthwhile depending on how many applications, programs, or games you want to run at breakneck speed. The Samsung 980 Pro employs PCIe Gen 4 technology created for ardent and competitive gamers that want more and faster bandwidth when gaming. Terabyte written ratings of 300 TBW at 500 GB and 1,200 TBW at 2 TB demonstrate the drive's durability. PlayStation 5 and PCIe 3.0 systems can both use the 980 Pro with no issues. The drive speeds will still be above 3,000 MB/s even though placing it in a 3.0 slot will slow them down. Additionally, you may set up Samsung Magician to monitor the drive's health, upgrade the firmware, and further improve performance. Number 2. One of the top external SSDs for gaming. The WD Black P50 game drive offers read and write speeds of up to 2,000 MB/s for $250 for a 1 TB model. It's a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 SSD that works with PCs, Macs, Xbox, and PlayStations. Although the P50 offers respectable speed for an external SSD, it is still slower than the typical PCIe 3.0 disk. You'll still have no trouble starting up your computer and launching your preferred games or file transfer applications right away. It will be a significant improvement over your typical portable drive or USB flash drive. With the accompanying USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A connections, you can connect to additional devices thanks to the straightforward plug-and-play design, which makes getting started simple. The Gen 2x2 interface is built to be durable and compatible with the most recent gear. Because it can supply twice as much bandwidth as comparable external gaming SSDs, the drive is perfect for gamers who want the finest performance. Number 3. And great low-cost choice is the 500 GB Crucial P5, which costs $80. Additionally, although using PCIe Gen 3 technology, it can still deliver respectable read and write speeds of up to 400 Mbps and 3,000 MB/s, respectively. For $110 or $180 more, you may upgrade to 1 TB or 2 TB of storage. Because the write speed is drastically lowered to 400 Mbps on the 250 GB version, we do not advise purchasing it. Additionally, the small quantity of storage is not worth the cost because you can end up filling it with only a few games. You'll surely notice the performance gain if you're switching from a hard drive or an older SSD. The Crucial P5 is a top candidate in its category since it has faster read and write rates than the typical Gen 3 drive. In order to maximize performance and durability, it also provides cutting-edge features including dynamic write acceleration, error correction, complete hardware-based encryption, and adaptive heat protection. Number 4. Are you looking for an M.2 SSD that can perform the most demanding tasks? For $150 for 1 TB, the XPG GAMMI XS70 has among of the fastest read and write speeds available, up to 400 Mbps and 800 Mbps, respectively. Overall, this SSD is made for the most demanding games, and overclockers will find it to be one of their best options. It can manage the most demanding workloads while still delivering the finest performance. This has been made possible by the most recent PCIe Gen 4 interface, 3D NAND flash technology, dynamic SLC caching, and DRAM cache. Generally speaking, drives with DRAM cache are quicker than ones without it. The SSD will stay cooler even while it's operating at maximum capacity because of a heat spreader design that improves ventilation. This prolongs its life and gives you a steady gaming experience free of throttling. Number 5. As one of the few gaming SSDs with up to 4 TB of storage, Corsair's MP600 Pro XT is a good option. Though expensive, this SSD offers impressive read and write speeds of up to 100 Mbps and 800 Mbps, respectively. A potent PCIe Gen 4 gaming SSD with high-density 3D TLC NAND, the MP600 Pro XT successfully blends performance, and longevity. Additionally, it differs from previous solutions by including a liquid cooling option. For optimal bandwidth, the drive uses NVMe Protocol 1.4. The MP600 Pro XT is one of the top 4.0 SSDs for people who desire stable and quick performance when combined with the powerful heatsink. The 700 TBW rating for the 1TB and 2TB variants increases to an astounding 3000 TBW at 4TB. The MP400 version, which provides a whopping 8TB of capacity, is available if you want to go all out on storage. With greater capacity, you can keep files and games for many years on a high-performance disk. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.